Hi there, sweet students! Today I'll teach you how to say but in different ways. We will talk about how to use but itself, as well as how to use though and although and their differences. For those who are new here, hi, I'm teacher Melike, nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now, let's get started. It is mostly about the placement of the word in the sentence. It is easy to mix up where you need to use a word in a sentence. Our teachers, however, have teaching widgets to fix your sentences with grammatical mistakes and show you what you need to say. You can click on the link in the description box to visit our website and try a live lesson with our teachers. The first lesson is for free. Anyway, moving on to the differences between though, although, and but. Let's start with though. Now, though is a conjunction. For those who don't know what a conjunction is a part of speech that connects words, phrases, and clauses within a sentence. As an example, and, but, or, nor, for are all conjunctions. Though is also a conjunction that introduces a contrast in a sentence. It's often used to express unexpected outcomes or conditions. As an example, she loves hiking, though she is afraid of heights. In this example, though sets up a contrast between her love for hiking and her fear of heights. It's usually placed at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. Let's see another example. The weather was cold, though they decided to go for a swim. Here, though introduces a surprising decision given the cold weather. Now let's move on to although. Like though, although is another conjunction used to introduce a contrast. It's quite similar, but there is a subtle nuance. Although is often placed at the beginning of a sentence. Although it was raining, they decided to go for a picnic. In this example, although highlights the contrast between the rain and their decision to go for a picnic. Now let's explore but. Unlike though and although, but is a bit different. It's used to introduce a stronger sense of contradiction or opposition between the clauses it connects. Let me show you. She wanted to go to the party, but she had to finish her work. Here, but introduces a clear contradiction between her desire to go to the party and the need to finish her work. It signals a shift in the direction of the sentence. To sum it up, though and although are often interchangeable, both serving to introduce a contrast. Though is more flexible in its placement within a sentence, while although is often used to start a sentence. On the other hand, but introduces a stronger sense of contradiction, highlighting opposition between ideas. Choosing the right conjunction depends on the flow of your sentence. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.